Hello students, I welcome back to the video. JEE Main Exam 2021 can be checked by the aspirant through online mode. The pattern indicates the exam mode, type of questions, marking schemes, etc. There are some new changes in the exam. The JEE Main Exam is the national level examination which will be organized to provide admissions in undergraduate engineering and architecture courses provided by NITs, IITs and IITs. The exam will be conducted for BE or BTech students, B architecture students and B planning students. It will be conducted through online mode. So through this video, I provide the detailed information about JEE Main Exam 2021 and exam pattern also. So students, watch the video. So this is one of the public notice for inviting for JEE Main Exam. The Department of Higher Education, Ministry of Education and Government of India has entrusted the responsibility of conducting joint entrance examination, that is JEE Main, to the NTA, National Testing Agency, from 2019 onwards, Now I will give some important instructions from NTA. The first one is candidates can apply for JEE Main 2021 through online mode only between 16th December to 16th January. And second instruction, the fees can be paid online up to 17/1/2021 Sunday. And third one instruction, fees can be paid for all 4 sessions. First session February, second one March, third one April, fourth session will be on May at the same time. However, it can be taken forwarded to another session. In case the candidate does not want to appear in the session for which fees has already been paid, it will be refunded by NTA, provided the request is received during the application process of the session from which the candidate want to withdraw. Next important instruction, a single confirmation page will be generated for all the session the candidate applies for. Next instruction, candidates has option to apply for one session and more than one session together and pay fees accordingly. Students, you can apply for any number of sessions, that is allowed, but don't apply more than one application for one session. For example, if there are 2 applications for a single session, that application will be rejected. So application window will be reopened briefly immediately after the declaration of result of February, March or April sessions. If any candidate could not apply for session 1, then they can apply for the next session only on the portal opens after declaration of result for the previous sessions. Only one application is to be submitted by the candidate. This is one of the important instruction for one session or more than one session or for all session. This is allowed, but multiple application forms submitted by a candidate for the same session will not be accepted at any cost. Next, candidates who desire to appear in JEE Main 2021 may see the detailed information in website. So this is the website. Also note it, jeemain.nta.nic.in/www.nta.ac.in. This will give multiple opportunity to the candidates to improve their scores in the examination if they are not able to give their best in the one attempt. For example, if they are not best in the February attempt, you can attend in the March, or another way, April. The last chance will be there in May. So students, next benefit, this will reduce the chances of dropping a year, and droppers would not have to waste a full year. So you can use the next chances also. In case a candidate has board examination in a particular month, or like February or like March, so you can, if you for example, February is a board examination. If you can't able to attend the exam, you can use the next month also. A candidate need not appear in all the 4 sessions. That is not compulsory. If candidate appears in more than one session, then his best of the 2021 NTS course will be conducted for preparation of merit list or ranking. So you try to attend all the sessions. Keeping in mind various decisions taken by various boards across the country regarding amendments in the syllabus, NTA has decided that the question paper will contain 19 questions, in which the candidate will have to attempt a total of 75 questions only. The choice will be given in section B, that is the numerical answers will be there in section B, which will not have any negative marks. This is one of the important announcement from NTA. So students, now let's see new schemes of examination for BE and BTech students. This is paper 1. Now see the table. So now this paper only for BE or BTech students. For example, there are 3 types of subjects here. One is maths, another one physics, third one chemistry. From maths, there are 30 questions. 20 questions from section A, 10 questions from section B. Similarly, physics and chemistry also. Then, this 20 questions from maths, physics, chemistry are compulsory to give the answer. So this is called as section A. So section A will be of multiple choice question. So there are 60 multiple choice questions. For every correct answers, 4 mark will be given. For every incorrect response, -1 mark will be given. If there is no response, 0 mark will be given. That's all. But section B, there are 10 questions from each subject. You should attempt only 5 questions only. So in section B, candidates have to attempt any 5 questions out of 10 questions. Important announcement, no negative marking for section B. So you choose 5 questions from this subject and 5 questions from physics and 5 questions from chemistry. This 15 question has no any negative marks. If it is correct, 4 mark will be given. So try to attend this 15 questions. Don't leave any questions from this. So totally we have 25 questions here, 25 here also 25. So you should attend 75 questions maximum. But there are 90 questions. So 75 questions is the maximum number of questions you want to attend. For each question 4 mark will be given. So 75 into 4, that is 300 marks. This is total mark for paper 1 students. Next, timing of examination. First shift 9 AM to 12 PM. The second shift will be 3 PM to 6 PM. There are 3 hours for this examination. Next new scheme of exam for B architecture. This is paper 2A. See the table. This particular table for B architecture students. This is paper 2A. First one, subject mathematics part 1. This is aptitude test part 2, drawing test part 3. There are 3 parts. This instruction only for part 1. So part 1 have 2 sessions. Section A, 20 questions from maths. Section B, 10 questions from maths. This 20 questions are compulsory. If there is correct response, 4 marks will be given. Any wrong response, -1 mark will be given. If there is no response, 0 mark will be given. Next, from this 10 questions, you should attend 5 questions only, maximum 5 questions. If it is correct, 4 mark will be given. If it is wrong, no mark will be given, no negative marks. So there will be no negative marking for section B. Next, aptitude test part 2. This is 50 questions. Next I will explain how many marks will be given for this 50 question and everything. Drawing test only 2 questions will be asked. So totally here 20 plus 10 30 it is 50, so 80 plus 2 82 questions will be given. You want to attend 20 plus 5 25, then 50, therefore 75 plus 2, so 77 questions only you want to attend maximum level. Maximum mark will be 400 marks. Then first shift will be 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Second shift will be 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. This is timing of examination. Next new scheme of examination for B planning student. This is paper 2B. This table only for B planning students, that is paper 2B. This is also section A and section B. Part 1 is a mathematics question, 20 questions and 10 questions. This 20 are compulsory questions, this 10 not compulsory. You try to attend only 5 questions maximum. In section B will contain questions whose answer are to be filled in as a numerical value. This is for all paper 1, paper 2A, paper 2B, numerical values only. So from this 10 questions you want to attend only 5 questions. The 5 questions answers will be numerical values. But section A there are 20 questions. For every correct response already we know 4 marks will be given. If incorrect response, minus 1 mark will be given. If no response, 0 mark will be given. So this particular instruction is only for max. Then aptitude test, this is part 2. 50 questions will be aptitude. And B planning based question, that is part 3. Here 25 questions will be asked. Total number of questions 105 questions. You want to attend only 100 questions. So 100 into 4, that is 400 marks will be given. This is maximum mark. The timing of examination, here there is no first shift or second shift, only one shift, that is 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. Next, marking scheme for JEE Main 2021. This is for BTech or BE students. 25 questions from each subject. There are 4 marks for each question. So 25 into 4, 100 marks for each subject. So max 100, physics 100, chemistry 100, totally 300 marks for paper 1. This is paper 1. Next, paper 2, maximum 400 marks. Let's see, this is part 1, it is part 2, it is part 3. Part 1 is a mathematics question, 25 questions you want to attend, so 100 marks will be given. Aptitude test, 50 questions will be there, so 50 into 4, 200 marks will be given. Drawing test, there are 2 questions only. First drawing 50 marks, second drawing also 50 marks, totally 100 marks will be given for 2 drawings, totally 400 marks. This drawing test is not online test. Next, paper 2B, this is B planning. The marking scheme will be mathematics, already we know the 25 questions into 4 marks, that is 100 marks. Aptitude test, that is 50 questions will be there into 4 marks, therefore 200 marks. Then planning based question, there are 25 questions. For each question 4 mark carries, therefore 4 into 25, that is 100 marks. Totally it is also 400 marks. This is for paper 2B. CPT. So this particular 2021 JEE main exam related to CPT mode examination. What is CPT mode? CPT means computer based test. So JEE main 2021 examination will be held in computer based test mode only, except that the drawing test for B Arc will be held in pen and paper offline mode. This is only for B architecture. So computer based test only for paper 1 and paper 2B, except the drawing test. Another major changes introduced in JEE main exam pattern is that JEE main 2021 will be conducted in 13 languages. So medium of the question paper is drawing from the National Education Policy, that is NEP. The JEE main 2021 will be conducted in Assamese, Bengalis, Kannada, Malayalam, Marathi, Odia, Punjabi, Tamil, Telugu, Urdu, in addition to Hindi, English, and Gujarati. So note it, there are 13 regional languages. The subsequent dates of examination are as follows. So students, note the examination date. This is important. Session 1, this is February 2021. So here 23, 24th February, 25th and 26th February 2021. These are the subsequent exam dates. If you want to attend first session, you just note the 4 dates. If you are free, you try to attend this particular session. If there is any online other examination, you just avoid this particular session. Come to session 2. This is March 2021, 15th, 16th, 17th and 18th March. Session 3 in April, 27th, 28th, 29th and 30th April 2021. Session 4, 24, 25, 26, 27 and 28th May. There are 5 dates available in May. Here.